Romans 12 says, be good to your enemies. If your enemies are hungry, feed them, give them something to eat. And I thought, well, I'll tell you what, I'll put that into practice, what God said about it, and I'll just change tactics. And I pull over there, two guys are stealing my fish, and right before they got the net up, I just came out of nowhere, you know, I was hiding over on the bank. I said, guys, look like you want to have a fish fry today. And I'm taking the batting part. I said, I tell you what, you don't have to steal these fish. Amazingly, after I gave them the fish, I did that for several more. And after a little while, I noticed everybody quit stealing from me. When I began to give them what they were trying to steal, they all quit stealing from me. I thought I learned a valuable lesson there. I said, be good to your enemies. Just be good to them.